Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is open up FL Studio and just start a new template. You'll have just these four things here, unless you've gone to new template and they'll have different ones. I just use this one. I like it. So first I'll show you how to make just a normal techno beat line. And that's just just one that you can use all the time, standard beat line. And most of you won't have any plugins, so what you're going to do is go to packs, go to dance and put in iron string. It's just a basic sound. There's a heap of others, you can go through them and listen to them if you want. This one's just good for techno. Right click it, go piano roll, and you've got all these notes. And you just place notes on here. Most good sounds would be, if you're gonna start on a white, keep it on a white, or you can get advanced and mix them up and it can sound good. Or if you start on a black, most likely keep it on a black. So we'll just go with a basic trance lead. Oh, not lead, sorry, one that goes in the background, rhythm I think it is. Okay, and you left click to put the notes down and you right click to delete them. Or you can just highlight them by holding control and dragging the mouse while clicking the left button, and then clicking delete, and it'll do the same thing. And to copy, it's just a basic Windows command. Just highlight it, Control C and Control V if you wanted to, and then move it out of the way. Or what I usually do is highlight it and then hold shift and click the right button and drag it down. Left button, sorry. Then that's your basic one, and this is what it sounds like. And hold on, got to put these in, otherwise it won't sound. No good sound. And this is what it'll sound like. That's just the basic sound, and sometimes you can add stuff onto that, like move up a line, and you can add just random notes on here, and sometimes it works out well. And yeah, just make it up and see what you can come up with. not pre. Haven't thought of it and then made it. I've just put random notes in and made it. And that's just basic of what you can do in FL Studio. To save it, Control S or File Save. You'll be prompted to put a name in, just call it whatever you want. Just save it, and that will save into your program files, image line, whatever FL Studio you have, data, projects, and it'll all save there. And to save your song as MP3, go export MP3 or WAV, whichever one you prefer. Just save it. Do it to the desktop. Just make it easier for yourself. Just save it. Click start. Might take long, depends on how long the song is. And there it is. And just play around with the sounds. If you get some good plugins, you can use different sounds. Nexus is a really good starting plugin. I've used it ever since I started and it's been really good. And it might sound a lot different, it might not even work with this sound, but we'll have a go. That sounded alright. It goes a bit deep sometimes, but that's alright. Just gotta really play around with it, and got a song that I'm working on at the moment. It's taken me about 3 days so far, so this is what it sounds like. Touch up a few spots and you just like listen to a song and then make a remix of it. If you can play it on piano, then it's gonna be pretty easy because you got the notes up here, and I'm pretty sure you can change that to the actual notes that are on a keyboard or piano. So yeah, it's a really good program. Most of the top techno makers use it, and yeah. if you need any more help or anything isn't working, just comment or private message me or just anything, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.